Hello, my name is Bill and welcome to Mind Your Crypto. Today we have KYBER Network daily update. We are going to see the next price targets, and of course before we continue, do not forget to join our monthly subscription, link in the description box and in the comment section. Patreon/Mind Your Crypto. You will get easy profits, you will know to find the bottoms and to know exactly when to buy and exactly when to sell our altcoins through an automated system with buying and selling opportunities. You will also get a manual system with over 90% win ratio. Personal guidance every day, educational videos to become expert in the technical analysis and hold your future in your hands, market updates, random giveaways, pine scripts for TradingView, and many other benefits. Thank you for watching, have a fantastic day wherever you are. Let's go and proceed quickly into the KYBER network and the risk metrics. So right now what we have here is that we are above the 50-day MA, which is very good on the daily frame. And now we are going to see what risk do we have in this situation that we are in right now onto the 1.57 Tether USD. We have the commodity channel index into an extreme overbought situation. That is mainly the fact that we are saying that we have a very high risk because the RSI is not in an overbought situation. Instead, with the RSI, we can grow potentially even higher and go above the 70. Can we have something like that for KYBER network? Yes, we have. However, right now we have to prove that we won't be having a selling opportunity now that we are above the 50-day EMA. For example, you can see back then we had the same. Okay, we were above the 50-day MA or there as well, and we were having a selling pressure. As well here, we were having a selling pressure. All right, so therefore we need to see and we need to test out that we won't be having a selling pressure now that we are above the 50-day MA. We need a further price confirmation and we need to go even higher to increase the gap between the 50-day MA and the price right now. According to the stochastic RSI, an indicator that goes very fast or very fast down into an overbought or oversold situation. Now it is sitting in an overbought situation right there, and it is above the 80. The Fisher transform right here is in a neutral position. It can potentially grow even more, it can correct. Okay, so for now we are waiting and see, and of course we are going to see the 4-hour frame to see more of a short-term price analysis right here. On the 4-hour frame, things are looking good. However, do not underestimate the RSI that it is approaching the 70. We have an overbought right there. Same with the stochastic RSI and the commodity channel index, and of course the Fisher transform right here that is above the red dotted line, the 1.5. When we are above the red dotted line, we have a very high risk for the altcoins. Okay, and therefore we need to be careful. The same goes with the commodity channel index. Commodity channel index and the stochastic RSI are better in a normal market. When we have an impulsive wave, I think that watching the daily frame and the RSI is better in that way. But for now, for the time being, we haven't confirmed yet even an impulsive wave on the 4-hour frame. Okay, if we go and test the 20-day MA maybe and then go even higher, then we will probably be having a nice impulsive wave on the 4-hour frame as well. Let's go to KNC Bitcoin chart right here. On KNC Bitcoin chart, you can see that we have more of an impulsive wave on the 4-hour frame. You can see how much we have gone upwards. We have a very high risk though, okay, with the RSI, but at the end of the day, Bitcoin is going down. KNC against Bitcoin is totally outperforming the charts right there. You can see that we have gone from this bottom right here back on 6th January, almost a 38%, while on KNC USDT, let's see the percentage we have got above. It is around 36, okay. So we have almost the same. KNC against Bitcoin chart wins for a little bit, a tiny bit right here. And you can see that we had an absolutely crazy moment right there for KNC over the last few hours. KNC against Bitcoin chart, as we talked about, will possibly correct. For now, we are going to see some important support levels. Okay, I like the fact that we had this pump up over the 20-day and the 50-day MA, but as you can see, KNC in the last few days that we had that from 25 October 2021, we were going down. Okay, we had huge correction. So I'm going to the 4-hour frame and we are going to see the next support levels for KNC against Bitcoin chart. And these are, one, we have the 0.236, the second one is the 0.382, the 0.4034 to 35, and I think the one that we might be finding a buying pressure is the 0.5 Fibonacci retracement, the 0.4033 22. And now we're ready to go to the price analysis. And here what I'm going to do is I'm on the daily frame. So each candlestick represents 1 day of price action. I am going with the Fibonacci retracement right here, and we are going to draw the Fibonacci retracement from the top to the bottom. You can see that we are now in the 0.382 and we found some sell pressure. Going above the 1.62 will get us to the 1.75 to 76, and going above to the 1.75 will get us to the 1.90 Tether USD. Can we approach these numbers? Yes, we can. Okay, we can potentially go to the 1.75. However, we should be careful and we should be taking this step by step. So instead of seeing only the daily frame, we are going to see some support levels as well. You can see that if I draw the fib from this top to this, from this bottom, to this top right here, we have some incredible support levels to look at. For example, we have the 1.51. And I think the most important one, support level right here, is the 1.45. If we find buying pressure on the 1.45 around there, then it is very likely to surpass the 1.62 and go to the 1.75 as well, and maybe the 1.90. Okay, the 1.45 is a very, very strong support level for KNC right there, and we could potentially find some buying pressure around the 1.45 and therefore get to the 1.618 again, and maybe to the 1.75 to 76. On the time being, I have the support levels as well, because you can see that with the RSI we might not have an extreme overbought, but with the commodity channel index, with the stochastic RSI, and with the Fisher transform, we have an overbought situation right there. And we should be careful. We should say that we might be getting a little bit down before going up. If we go up higher though, we need to close above the 1.618. If we close above the 1.618, you could buy, not a financial advice, but just my personal humble opinion there, you could buy and get to the 1.75, okay? And 1.90 as well. That's what I would personally do right there. But you have to use your own risk right there calculator, and you have to learn technical analysis, and of course be prepared for anything. And if you want to learn technical analysis and get profits, then you can join our Patreon. Patreon/mindyourcrypto is the link you will find in the description box and in the comment section. Thank you for watching. Have a fantastic day wherever you are. See you soon with many more videos. Bye.